Plug.
Fuck is this shit? We starting to play around. Let's go back to the work. Really do legs over here. Do squats. You doing squats, bro.
Plug.
Sit. Good girl. Need that. I think I
Plug.
got some bad news, man. So it's not really bad, but just we're off to a bad start with the challenge. Took some dumb trades, not gonna lie. Took some dumb shit. But it's okay. We're gonna make all of this back. I got 2 trades that I'm taking at market open. One that I'm already currently in, and one that I'm taking right at market open if the entry presents itself. So I'll be on the charts a lot more in this video, but this is episode 2 of the challenge series. So welcome back to the 100K prop firm challenge. All right, guys, so here's my current situation with Think Capital. As you guys can see, I am down a little over 2%. So first thing I want to say is I am not trading this using like risk management. This is for entertainment purposes, but still, showing the reality of trading and stuff like that, what traders kind of go through, you know. In this video, I'm going to be going over the trades that I took. So it's the first trade I took. I took an oil trade, then I took a GBP CAD trade, and some gold trades. Now, that hit full take profit, but something with this, like I can't use certain lot sizes and stuff like that. So, um, I don't know. I just closed it because it was the profit was like pointless, you know. I think it was like, I mean, I wouldn't say it was pointless. It was like $1,000, but the risk to reward wasn't. My risk was way bigger than my reward because of the lot. I couldn't use the lot size that I wanted to use based off of my stop loss and my take profit. So, which was kind of weird. But currencies, on the other hand, they move pretty well. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the metrics and everything. You guys can see I'm down this much here, almost 3%. So I'm gonna make that back easily. I'm currently in a trade, currently in this CHF JPY trade right here. This trade, once TP hits, will give me a 3% gain. So I'll be back in profit on the account. I'm also gonna take this trade right here on Euro JPY. So it's a break of structure, pull back up into premium. So I'm looking to short at market open if it can give me the entry. I'm gonna short around this area here to take it all the way down to these lows. Really, I think we can get here for sure, but I'm gonna reach for these lows as well. So this is gonna be a real big trade. This probably will pass the whole account, the whole challenge. And then I'll move to the verification. But this trade right here is what's gonna get me back into the blue, back positive on the account, back in profit. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the trades that I took. So I took this. I was in this trade on gold. I got in like somewhere around here, in this area here. So this is pretty much like a double top, or you could call it like a head and shoulder. But you can clearly see that structure broke down. And we had equal lows resting here. There was a news event um, there. And I got in based off of like a supply setup on the 5 minutes. So there was this breaker structure to the downside, and then we had this supply candle right here, this 5 minute supply, and price was kind of breaking out of it. And it did this, gave like this liquidity grab, but it didn't body close above the zone. So I went ahead and entered and went in a little bit of profit. You know, we have equal lows here, so that's liquidity. And I went into drawdown bad, and I was like, man, let me just close it. Maybe it's not ready, and then should have just held the trade. And then we finally start moving in the right direction, formed a fair value gap here, and then went and hit the full take profit. So that was a very, very good trade. I just got out. As you can see, the first one here, I took an $800 loss. And then I got back in the sell and just got in, took a $31 because I was just so, like, I wasn't confident for some strange reason. But I should have held the trade, bro. Like, I should have just held the trade. I think I got back in here with the 31, where I got out with 31. I got in somewhere here when it tapped this fair value gap. And I was anticipating the price to go ahead and reach, but I don't know what the hell I did. So that's the reality of trading. You know, you had these emotional like roller coasters, and you got to learn how to stick through it. But and I guess that $800 loss on gold is what kind of uh, made me get out of this one here. So now I'm gonna go over this EuroCAD trade where I took a buy. I don't remember what I took. I took a buy on, I opened it 8/14, so August 14th. So I'm gonna turn on the session breaks. I took a buy like right here. Yeah. I remember now. So we broke structure to the upside during London session. So I was pretty much anticipating a New York continuation to these equal highs, which was the previous daily high. But as you guys can see, we stalled, and I think it was news again. My stop loss was down here, and it went and wicked me out. So I probably should have waited for that or been a little patient. But I was anticipating that price would continue higher. And that's another emotional thing to do in trading, like an impulsive thing. Like I didn't want to miss this opportunity up. So I went ahead and got in prematurely, and knowing my rules is wait for a liquidity sweep before, you know, entering a trade. So again, another like just rookie mistake. And even after these mistakes, I'm only down like a little almost 3%. So one trade is gonna literally make all that back, bro. Just want you guys to see this. Stay tuned for these two trades here. This CHF JPY, I'm pretty confident this will go ahead, and I think this will hit take profit. Not gonna lie. I'm pretty confident in this simple break to the downside, pull back into premium, and now we're moving nicely towards our profit target. So, and then Euro JPY, like I said, same thing. I'm looking for bearish price action. Two trades that will pretty much get me where I need to be. So stay tuned.